as short as possible, I'm going to show you how to use the Exness app and basically show you the several features that exist in it. Prior, when I started trading, I do use MT5, but these days I've realized that the Exness app presents more opportunities for me and more tools for me. That's what I mean by opportunity, in the sense that the Exness app has a TradingView feature. I can view the chart via the TradingView feature. There is a TradingView chart, and you are going to see that. And there are diverse other reasons why I prefer it to the MT5. MT5 is fine, but I just prefer using the Exness app. So I'm going to begin now. This is ordinarily the interface for the app. Ordinarily, sometimes like this trading hour changes, it shows, and sometimes it's not there, but it's just used for, sometimes you see messages there. Then if you look at the top right, you see where you can see notifications. So you can open notifications and see the present notifications and just go back. So ordinarily, that's it. So this is like the interface. You can create an account. As you can see here, you can deposit. You see, you can deposit, you can see withdraw, history, and details. So in terms of details, now in details, you can see your balance. I have upscaled my balance, but ordinarily you see your balance there. I can also set your leverage, as you can see. So to set your leverage, you just go click on the settings by the right, and you see maximum leverage is, these are the leverages available. So you may not be allowed to use the unlimited leverage until you've got into a particular level in trading. Let me see if I will be allowed unlimited. Okay, you see I am told it is not available yet because I've not traded to a particular extent where I'll be required to use unlimited leverage. So presently I use the 1 to 2000 leverage. So that's for that. Then there are several other things you can do if you go through. For example, if you want to log in your MT5, these are the details for you to log in your MT5. Those are the details for you to log in your MT5. So if you have these details, you'll be able to log in your MT5. So that's for that. Then you can see your withdrawal and deposits. That's for this tab. Let me go to the next tab. The next tab is where you can place trades. As you can see at the top, you can see the several boxes there. You can see favorites, most traded, top movers, majors, metas, crypto indices, stocks, energies, and exotic. So these are the sub tabs. Now your favorite, for example, I trade JPUSD. I only trade JPUSD. That's why you can see it here. It is under my favorite tab. You can see most traded. Today is Saturday. So for today being Saturday, the most traded will likely be BTC. Forex pairs are not active during the weekend. So you can see it here. For example, if it were to be a weekday, you would have seen something like gold at the top, XAUSD, you see USD JPY, you see Euro USD, you see other pairs. And another thing that you need to know is that you can sort them. For example, if you look at this tab that says sorted by popularity, you can choose to sort however you want. When you sort by popularity, it simply means that it is being sorted presently according to how they are most traded, or the ones that have high volume presently. So that's it's sorted out, the ones that is most traded. That's for that. So you can easily sort if you want to sort. Now you can open a pair, and let me open the BTC chart. Now this is the BTC chart, and if you look at the top right, you can extend it. Let me extend the chart. So this is the chart. This is TradingView. I'm going to if yours is not showing TradingView, I'll show you how to activate the TradingView terminal so you can view it as if it is, so that you can view it in the TradingView terminal. So this is TradingView. Below you can see the buy and sell buttons. That's for that. There are several other settings you can do when you log in the app. You can do that. Then you can set time, for example 15 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, up to hours, even up to days, 1 month. So that's that. Then you can choose what candlesticks you want. There's Heikin-Ashi candlestick, there's the usual Japanese candles, and there are several others. There's a line chart. It's just so beautiful. That's why I prefer this. For this primary, this is the primary reason why I prefer 75. This primary reason, the fact I can use the line chart, I can use Heikin-Ashi, I can use Japanese candle. Japanese candlestick is very popular. It's what you see on basically every trading platform. But I myself understand the price action of Heikin-Ashi candlestick better. That's why I love using Heikin-Ashi, and that's one of the reasons I prefer using the Exness app. So this for when you open the pair. So whenever you open the pair, it's always like this. So you can see top movers. Top movers refers to pairs that move very well. They have huge intraday movements. You can see majors. You can see metas, XAUSD, silver, the rest. You can see them there. You can also see crypto, BTC, Ethereum, and the rest. Indices, stocks, energies, minors. These are minor pairs. Minor pairs are pairs that do not have USD in them. So AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, and the rest of them. You can see it here. So this for the tab. Let's go to the markets. In the markets aspect, this is what I'm clicking. In case you don't know, let me show it to you. This is what I've been clicking to go through the several tab. This is it. You just use it to go through the several. These are the major tabs. So presently I'm in markets. As you can see, presently I'm in market. So now the market, I don't use it, but if you go through, it may be useful for you. For example, you can see news that are forthcoming. There's a JPY news in 2 days. So that's for that. Then performance. If you have been trading, you can see your performance, but mine is currently hidden. I for the purpose of this video, well, I initially planned to just hide only the balance, but the way I can see it seems that went to the performance aspect too. So that's what that. But if you in yours, you are going to see your performance, you see your chart. So that's what that. Then profile. Now in profile, you can see your settings. I told you earlier that I'm going to tell you how to. For example, if you download the Exness app for the first time, the TradingView terminal may not be the default chart there or the default terminal. So in order to change that, I'm going to show you now. So just work with me. You click the settings toggle at the top right. Click it. The first item there under preferences is trading terminal. You click on it, and there you can choose whatever the terminals you want. You are use Exness, TradingView, built-in MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 5 app. So if you choose MetaTrader 5 app, if you click on a pair, it will open your MT5 in your phone. That's what it's going to do. If you click the built-in MetaTrader 5, there's a built-in MetaTrader 5 on the Exness app, and it will open it. Then I just use the TradingView feature. That's why you can see it is checkmarked TradingView. That's what I use. So that's how you set it. That's how you set it. I told you of the settings of hiding my balance. If you can see this is what I click to hide my balance. Hide balances with the flip feature. So once you click on the toggle and you flip your phone, it will hide your balance. That's why I'm able to make this video and you're not able to see my balance. So this was just one of the features of Exness app. Then there are other features that you can see. For the hand, this is the referral tab. Presently I've referred 3 persons in this account. You can see it here. So referral program. And when you refer persons to Exness, if those persons trade, some portion of the amount from the commission they generate for Exness will be given to you. So it is hidden. You can't see mine because I've done that hidden feature earlier. So this is it. Also, if you click on it, you'll be able to get your link. For example, if you click on it, you see your link. Share the link. The link can use to invite other persons to register on Exness with your app. With your link rather. To register on Exness with your link. So that's for that. Then basically these are the major features of the app, but the major reason why I use the app is because to trade is because of the chart. I'm able to use TradingView on it, and that's what's so beautiful for me. That's what's so beautiful for me. So by this you should be able to, you can see and you're able to make a comparison with MT5. So ordinarily I prefer this to MT5. If MT5 can have some of these features, maybe, who knows, I may go back to MT5 in the future, but for now I prefer the Exness app, particularly that TradingView feature. Is very important. And I also like the fact that I can have everything in one app. I can trade in that app, I can manage my account in that app, I can withdraw in that app. I don't need to go to it. For example, if you are using MT5, you want to withdraw, you have to go to the Exness platform to withdraw. But in this, I can do everything in this app. All my trading is handled from this app. So that's one of the reasons I love, or I like, this Exness app. And I think if you download the app and you explore it, I believe you will like it very well too.